We translate, we translate, we translate, we translate, we translate, we translate. I am hyped today because we are translating figures on the coordinate plane. So let's go. What's up, chat? Welcome to Unit 8, Day 8, Translations. In this lesson, we're going to be translating figures on the coordinate plane, going up and down, left and right, and sometimes both. All right. And so in the last lesson, we had an intro on what transformations are. And so we learned that transformations are when images change, right? And so we are zooming in, and today we're just looking at translations. Okay, and so when a translation occurs, it moves every point of a figure the same distance in the same direction, okay? And so this is what sets translations or apart from other transformations, okay? You're not twisting the figure, you're not flipping it, you aren't making it bigger, you are just simply taking the figure and you are moving it. You're translating it. You're just moving it. You just translated it, all right? And so, hey, if you can count today, you are going to have no problems translating figures on the coordinate plane, all right? So let's look at the first example, okay? It says translate the triangle GTB 3 units up and 2 units to the right, okay? And so the first thing I want to do is I want to make note of my rule, okay? So my rule is that I am going to be translating this figure 3 units up, okay, and 2 units to the right, okay? And so that is important that I just note that, all right? And then, friends, all we have to do is go to each of the points and follow that rule, okay? So we start at G, we're gonna go up. Now, when I count, I don't count at G, that's not 1, because I haven't moved yet. I go here, I go to G, then I go up. That's 1, 2, 3, okay? And then I'm moving 2 to the right. 1, 2, and here's where my new point G is gonna be. Okay, and I'm gonna put that apostrophe, right? Because that's what the new points have. And then I'm gonna go to T and B and finish this out. So I go to T, I go 1, 2, 3, and then over 1, 2. And here's where the new T is. Make sure you add that apostrophe because that's how you know it is the new image. Then you go to B, 1, 2, 3, over 2. And here is our new B, okay? And then we just connect our lines and that will make, connect our dots with lines and that makes our new image, all right? That makes our image. So this is the pre-image before, this is the image after the translation, okay? And then from there, all I gotta do is figure out the coordinates for each of the points. So to do so, I start at the origin, okay? And then for G, I'm gonna go back 1, up 2. So it's -1, 2 for G. Then for T, I'm starting at the origin, going over 1, up 2, over 1, up 2. And then for B, I'm going back 1, -2. So -1, -2. And there you have it, friends. Every question is as simple as that. And so I could end the video right now and you could practice the next 3 problems. And so I want you to pause it. I'm gonna finish this video out by just giving you some additional practice, but I want you to pause it and try to do the next few problems on your own, and then you can watch each problem to make sure you got it. We translate, we translate, we translate, we translate, we translate, we translate. Okay, all right. So this next one, translate YGM. This time we're going 4 units up. So our rule is that we are going 4 units up and then 4 units down. Okay, so 4 units up, then 4 units down. So we start with Y, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we go, I'm tripping, 4 units to the right. I was just playing, making sure you was paying attention. 4 units up, and then 4 units to the right. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Then over 1, 2, 3, 4. And here's our new Y. Okay, start here. 4 units up. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is where our new G would be. And then M. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And here's where I knew M would be. Connect the points. All right, and that is our translated. Now we got to figure out the coordinates. Start at the origin, over 1, up 1, 2, 3, 4. So Y is 1, 4. G, start at the origin, 1, 2, 3, 4, up 2. So we are 4, 2. And then M, start at the origin, go over 1, and then up 0. All right, so there you have it. All right. Let's look at a couple more examples. Again, if you did not pause it, okay, I need you to listen. You can do this on your own. So make sure you pause the video and do the next 2 on your own, and then you can check it. All right, so translate the quadrilateral. This time we got a 4-sided figure, JMXE, 5 units up. All right, so our rule is that we are going 5 units up, and we are going 2 units left. Okay, so let's do it. 5 units up, 2 units to the left. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then 1, 2. This is going to be our new J. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then 2 units to the left. This is going to be our new M. Okay. E, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2. This is going to be our new E. Okay. And then X, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2. And this is going to be our new X. So we connect these. Okay. And we find our new coordinates. Coordinates for J, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, so -4, 2. For M, go back 1, up 1, 2, 3. For X, over 1, up 2. And for E, 1, 2, 3, 4, -4, up 1. All right. And for the last one of this ones, we're going to translate the triangle down 4 units and then 1 unit to the right. So the rule, all right, is 4 units down and 1 unit right. Okay, so 4 units down, 1 unit right. Start with a J. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 to the right. That is our new J. 4 units down. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 unit to the right. That is our new A. And then I, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 unit. And this is our new I. Make sure you add those apostrophes. All right. And then tell me the coordinates. For J, start at the origin, 1, 2, 3, 4, up -4, up 1. For A, 1, 2, 3, 4, down 1, 2, 3. So it's -4, -3. And then for I, we don't move left or right. We go down -2. All right. And so that is how we translate figures on the coordinate plane. All right. Now for this last one, last 2, we want to write the rule. Okay. So we just want to write the rule. What happens from the image? I'm sorry, the pre-image to the image, right? And I know this is the one that starts because the other one has the apostrophes. So this is my beginning. This is after the translation. So we just go to T, And then we just count. Okay, what happened from this T to the second T, to the translated one? So I go up, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's just 4 units up is the rule, okay? So the rule is that I went 4 units up. I can check that and make sure that's true for all of them, right? Start at B, 1, 2, 3, 4. Gets me at the next one. At the B, go to the P, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so the rule is that first one went 4 units up, all right? Hey, I want you to go ahead and see if you can do this one on your own. Tell me the rule, all right? Okay, did you do it? Here we go. Let's go to L. You could go to any, you can start at any one, right? I'll start at L, go. We went 3 units down and 1 unit to the right. 3 units down and 1 unit to the right. Okay, and let's check it to make sure. 1, 2, 3, 1 unit to the right. And there you have it. So in this lesson, we have learned to translate figures on the coordinate plane.